Meaning of Fool's Paradise.
Fool's Paradise.
Fool's Paradise.
Fool's Paradise.
Fool's Paradise. Fool's paradise is an idiomatic expression that refers to a state of blissful ignorance or false sense of security, usually resulting from unrealistic and unfounded beliefs or expectations. When someone is in a fool's paradise, they may be oblivious to reality and the potential consequences of their actions or decisions. This can lead to disappointment, frustration, and even disaster when they eventually realize the truth. In short, a fool's paradise is essentially a temporary and illusory state that can ultimately lead to disillusionment and regret.